ChatGPT, the Artificial Intelligence Revolution. This is a guide for 30 tips for help to you improvement with ChatGPT. But the first, a little bit of history of the fascinating world of ChatGPT. The ChatGPT, OpenAI's groundbreaking chatbot, launched on November 30th, 2022. This revolutionary platform, developed on Python and available on cloud computing platforms, marks a new era in conversational AI, harnessing the power of GPT 3.5 for its free version and GPT-4 for paid subscribers. Here's what makes ChatGPT a game-changer in the AI landscape. ChatGPT redefines interaction, allowing users to shape conversations according to their preferences, from length and format to detail and language. Its prompt engineering feature ensures each conversation phase is contextually rich, offering a truly personalized experience. By January 2023, ChatGPT had achieved an unprecedented milestone, becoming the fastest-growing consumer software application in history. It amassed over 100 million users in just a few months, propelling OpenAI's valuation to $29 billion and inspiring the launch of competing products and concerns regarding its impact on human intelligence and authenticity. At its core, ChatGPT operates on the transformer architecture, fine-tuned for conversational AI through a blend of supervised and reinforcement learning. This innovation not only made ChatGPT widely accessible through a freemium model, but also positioned it as a pioneer in the AI boom. The training of ChatGPT involved meticulous fine-tuning processes using human feedback to enhance conversational capabilities. This approach, coupled with the construction of safety systems to filter harmful content, demonstrates OpenAI's commitment to responsible AI development despite challenges, such as the reliance on outsourced labor for content labeling. Powered by Microsoft Azure and NVIDIA GPUs, ChatGPT's infrastructure is both robust and resource-intensive, reflecting the significant investments in AI technology. OpenAI's strategy of collecting user feedback for continuous improvement underscores the dynamic nature of ChatGPT's evolution. ChatGPT's abilities are vast, from writing and debugging code to generating creative content and simulating complex systems. Its capacity to generate context-aware and nuanced responses sets it apart, although it actively works to mitigate harmful and misleading outputs. Despite its impressive capabilities, ChatGPT has its limitations. It can produce incorrect or nonsensical answers, a phenomenon known as hallucination. Moreover, its knowledge base is limited to information up to April 2023 for GPT-4, affecting its responsiveness to current events. Training biases and the potential for representational harm also pose significant challenges, highlighting the need for continuous oversight and improvement in the development of AI models. Innovations such as jailbreaking highlight both the ingenuity of users and the ongoing battle against misuse of AI, with OpenAI employing adversarial training techniques to reinforce ChatGPT's adherence to ethical guidelines. The service's rapid adoption globally, notwithstanding restrictions in certain countries, underscores the growing interest and controversy surrounding AI's role in society. ChatGPT Plus, introduced in February 2023, offers enhanced access and features for a premium, reflecting OpenAI's efforts to scale the service sustainably while fueling further innovation. In conclusion, ChatGPT stands as a monumental achievement in AI, symbolizing both the potential and challenges of generative language models. Its development journey, marked by rapid growth, ethical considerations, and technological advancements, offers valuable insights into the future of AI, shaping conversations, creativity, and computing for years to come. Step into the realm where keystrokes wield power and imagination knows no bounds. Welcome, novice, to the gateway of ChatGPT mastery. Here are 30 tips to transform you from a curious beginner to a seasoned virtuoso. Tip 1. Embrace personification. Treat ChatGPT as your creative canvas. Assign roles to infuse personality into your interactions. Tip 2. Structure your queries. Opt for clarity by formatting outputs. Request responses in tables or lists to organize your thoughts. Tip 3. Navigate complexity. Let ChatGPT distill verbose paragraphs into concise to-do lists, guiding you through life's complexities. Tip 4. Organize conversations. Rename chat logs to create a well-ordered digital memoir, enhancing clarity and recall. Tip 5. Encourage continuity. Prompt follow-up questions to deepen conversations, uncovering layers of insight. Tip 6. Simplify complex ideas. Utilize ChatGPT to explain intricate concepts in simple terms, fostering understanding. Tip 7. Personalize interface. Customize the dashboard to reflect your style, creating a welcoming digital environment. Tip 8. Share knowledge. Spread wisdom by sharing chat threads, fostering a community of learning and growth. Tip 9. Adjust tone. Modulate ChatGPT's tone to suit the context, infusing emotions into your digital exchanges. Tip 10. Pursue mastery. Dedicate yourself to mastering ChatGPT, exploring its features and capabilities. Tip 11. Craft concise prompts. Master the art of brevity to convey your requests effectively, saving time and energy. Tip 12. Experiment with writing styles. Explore different writing styles with ChatGPT, honing your creative expression. Tip 13. Quick learning. Harness ChatGPT's rapid insights to grasp complex subjects effortlessly. Tip 14. Upgrade experience. Consider upgrading to ChatGPT Plus for access to advanced features and enhanced experiences. Tip 15. Explore plugins. Delve into the plugin store to discover tools that augment ChatGPT's capabilities. Tip 16. Web browsing feature. Utilize ChatGPT's web browsing feature to gather information and insights. Tip 17. Create prompt templates. Develop templates for effective prompts, streamlining your interactions. Tip 18. Refine text. Use ChatGPT to revise and refine your writing, polishing it to perfection. Tip 19. Follow step-by-step guides. Navigate tasks with ChatGPT's guidance, following step-by-step instructions to achieve mastery. Tip 20. Embrace creativity. Unleash your creativity with ChatGPT, exploring its potential beyond practical tasks. Tip 21. Coding assistance. Seek ChatGPT's help in coding projects, learning and improving your programming skills. Tip 22. Brainstorm ideas. Generate ideas with ChatGPT's assistance, fostering innovation and creativity. Tip 23. Mediate disputes. Use ChatGPT as a mediator in conflicts, facilitating rational discussions. Tip 24. Journaling. Turn to ChatGPT for digital journaling, documenting your thoughts and experiences. Tip 25. Preserve memories. Export chat logs to preserve valuable conversations and memories. Tip 26. Understand limitations. Recognize ChatGPT's limitations and adjust expectations accordingly. Tip 27. Provide human-like inputs. Engage ChatGPT with human-like inputs to enhance the quality of responses. Tip 28. Check for originality. Before publishing content, use ChatGPT to check for plagiarism, ensuring originality. Tip 29. Seek study assistance. Utilize ChatGPT as a study aid, gaining insights and explanations on academic topics. Tip 30. Collaborate on creative writing. Collaborate with ChatGPT on creative writing projects, exploring new literary horizons.